Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Upstart, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Upstart website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account after verification. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section from the dashboard. Click on the option for budgeting or financial planning. Start by entering your monthly income. Include any additional sources of income you may have. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent and utilities. Add variable expenses, including groceries and entertainment. Make sure to categorize each expense for easy tracking. After entering all incomes and expenses, review your total budget summary. Adjust your spending categories if necessary to align with your financial goals. Set specific savings goals, such as for emergencies or vacations. Use the provided charts and graphs to visualize your budget. Monitor your spending habits over the following month. Make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Utilize Upstart's resources for tips on increasing savings. Review your progress regularly to ensure financial discipline. Consider setting reminders for bill payments and budget reviews. Finalize your budget approach and commit to following it. Stay informed about new features or updates from Upstart's budgeting tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.